So we're down in Florida in the Keys right now. We've been working with a company here to look at how the optical communication system could go onto luxury boats for running submarines or doing telemetry with some of these bigger submarines that are on some of the larger yachts. For our test today, we're about doing littoral optical communications. We went out and did it in about 10 or 15 feet of water offshore. Tests were pretty successful. We got 30 megabits or 40 megabits per second. But difficult because of the water conditions both of the divers were in, and we ended up in a couple of knots of current, and we really need a better test apparatus for what we're doing. So all in all, successful, but still some work to do. Hopefully by the time we're done, now that the company's seen all the tools we have, that they're quite interested. They seem to be quite interested, and we'll see where it goes from here. We have to increase our range, which means our intensities have to increase, and we need to get better on our receivers because of the sunlight. Although we did it yesterday in full sun view in an outside parking lot, and we got great signal to noise ratio. So we still have some work to do in the water, but all in all, the tests are really successful. I love to scuba dive, so we get to go down and do the optical comm system down below the water and learn a lot about what needs to be done. We're probably going to end up with a different kind of system that will hang from the bottom of a boat instead of trying to put things on the bottom. Every time we've done that before, it's been a problem. The way these ones are designed with a big backplate that's flat, the 2-knot current is just hitting it and spinning them around. So we'll have to do a little bit of work on that part of it. This is the first ocean testing that we've done. With this, we have done testing in extremely lit environments, in extremely dark environments, in lake water, in difficult lake conditions, and then in open ocean conditions to see about transmission distances and rates of communication. So it just adds to the 3 points on the graph that we need to see how everything's going. I mean, the underwater system is designed to work underwater, so all the heat sinks are in the water, so the water removes the heat. When we were doing our testing yesterday in the hot Florida sun, then everything's overheating, so you have to take backplates off to cool it and do all that kind of stuff. It's fun, but it's really hot because it's the middle of the summer. We should be doing this in the middle of winter, not in the middle of summer. We have Alberto, who's a PhD student working on the optical comm systems, and Cabby, one of the mechanical guys, and Derek to help him as a mechanics helper. So we got everybody here, and then Christian Rodriguez from the company that we're dealing with. Hopefully we get a couple of beers for 4th of July down at the hotel and see fireworks on the beach.